Are you terrified of losing all your Salesforce data? Learn how to schedule a complete backup in under 3 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact steps to set up a recurring data export, including images, documents, and files. Let's start. Start by clicking on the Quick Settings icon in the top right corner. Then, click on Open Advanced Setup to access the full setup menu. In the Quick Find box, type in Data Export and press Enter. From the search results, click on Data Export to open the export page. Now, click on the Schedule Export button to set up a recurring export. Make sure to check the box for images, documents, and attachments to include them. Also check the box for files and CRM data to ensure they're backed up. Scroll down to the Frequency section and choose One of Every Month from the dropdown. Click on the Start Date field to open the date picker.
Choose a start date for the export schedule.
Then, click on the End Date field. Select an end date to define the export period. Set a preferred start time for the export to run. Make sure that the Include All Data box is selected. Lastly, click Save to finalize your backup schedule. That's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.